Stop! You're not going anywhere. You have made a very big mistake.
Don't do this, Ronald. I'm begging you. You don't have to do it.
I can and I will. If you haven't been in business with the FBI, none of this wouldn't happen. And now look what you made me do.
I get it, Ronald. I can get how angry you are. I'll bring the money back.
Too late. You refuse to listen to us. Your friends have been trying to destroy my life long enough, and it's all your fault.
Ronald.
Shut up!
Shut up, you piece of shit. Please. If you dare try to interrupt me again, you're done. You blew every chance you had in your life. There is nothing you can do to escape from your guilt. Your alliance with the FBI has gone way out of line. And yes, your father was right. You really are a disgrace to this country, and it's my duty to finish it all.
Stop. Stop! Please stop me! Please stop! Please stop it! Stop it! Please!
This is for Blind Spot, you worthless son of a bitch.